Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the Declutter series to help get you organized. Today, we are tackling my closet. We actually did this ourselves because we wanted to be able to customize it and do it a little bit cheaper. So when we were building our house, we asked the builder to just leave this plain, take the trim out and everything because we are going to be doing drawers down here on the bottom. But Nathan's dad and a friend were so kind to actually build these for us. So they did the top shelf, so I have a place to actually put my off-season clothes. And then I have my shoes on the back wall up here, but these are actually going to go down below in like a shoe rack once we're finished with the bottom area. But for this video, I really wanted to just clean out my closet, get rid of stuff that I don't wear, and then put away all of my winter clothes and put those up top, fold them, and then actually bring out my spring and summer clothes. There's no point in keeping a bunch of stuff that I just never wear. So that's what I'm going to be donating. And then the stuff that fits me best is what I'm going to be keeping. So one tip that I would recommend is to try on everything in your closet, which sounds like a lot, but if you're going through your clothes, it's definitely worth it to actually put it on and see how it fits. If it's something that you don't really like how it fits, if it's too loose or it's too tight, then just get rid of it because you're not going to wear it if you don't feel comfortable in it. So I will link you to these hangers that I have. I love these huggable hangers. Nathan actually has the plastic ones on his side, but it's fine. He's a dude, he doesn't care. But for mine, I can definitely fit a lot more in here if I actually have these huggable hangers. So I will link you to where you can get these much more affordable, but they always have them at like TJ Maxx, Home Goods, and big packs. But I highly recommend these. If you can switch these out, it's gonna definitely make a big difference. First thing that I'm going to start doing is just taking everything down off the hangers and folding it up really nicely. And as I'm taking everything off the hangers, that is winter stuff of course, I'm going to just kind of reassess if I still like it, if I still wear it. And I'm going to try everything on that I'm not sure about and make sure everything is what I actually want to keep before it goes up to the shelves to store away for the season. So we are all done with sweaters so far, and that back one with the burgundy sweater on top is actually the donate pile, and the rest of them I'm going to keep, and I'm just going to stack these and store them up top. So something like this that's actually probably more of a spring item I still will keep up, even though we're pretty much jumping into summer. There still could be chillier days where I might want to wear something that is a little bit longer sleeve, so I might keep some of these out that look like they're more for springtime. If there's something that you didn't reach for in that entire season and you actually put out the previous season, so like I had this shirt out for last fall and winter and I never even wore it, so I might as well get rid of it because if I didn't reach for it this past season, I'm probably not going to want it next season. So here's the aftermath. My donate pile over on the right is getting pretty large, which I'm happy about, and I have so many hangers. If you feel like you need to go out and buy more hangers, like you don't have enough, you probably need to get rid of some stuff. So I'm actually going to organize these by type before I actually pull the other ones down. So these are like spring tops or for a little bit colder weather that I still want to keep out that would still be good for spring and summer. So I'm going to keep those pushed to the back because I'm not going to reach for them as much. Same with clothes behind the door. They're a little bit harder to get to, so I'm going to keep ones I don't wear as much over there. And then I'm going to organize them by type. So I'll have shorter sleeve and then tank tops and then crop tops. That's usually how I like to do it. And then within those categories, I usually do it by color. So I just put all of my thermals and flannels and long sleeves up in that cubby, and I try to kind of color coordinate them just to make it look a little bit more organized, but I don't have time to go too crazy with it. And they're kind of messily folded, but it's okay because I'm going to end up having to steam them once I get them back out next season anyways. Okay, so I'm finally almost done with my side. I decided to just have jackets here and long sleeves. I did try to color coordinate the tank tops. I didn't do them by type, so there's like dressy and casual ones all mixed in because I wear usually both to work. Dresses I sort of did by color too. So I don't do my entire closet by color, but I do each section by color, if that makes sense. And that just helps me get ready a little bit quicker. And here is where I ended up putting all of my winter shirts and sweaters and kimonos and cardigans that I'm not gonna wear. This over here is all scarves. I'm just gonna leave this. I kept this here in the winter too. So this area is such a mess, and I don't have a lot of clothes in our dresser that's actually in our bedroom. Most of my clothes that would go in a dresser are in these plastic drawers. These I've had forever. I think one of my very first YouTube videos was actually organizing my closet back in high school, and I had these same drawers. They have lasted that long. I think they're just cheap plastic ones from Walmart, but this basically takes the place of needing a dresser, gives me more storage in the closet. I know they're really ugly. That's why we're going to build custom ones, but that's definitely put on hold as we work on things on the rest of our house. That's why we don't have trim in here in the closet, because we are going to do those custom drawers across the bottom. We're just going to have to hire someone to do it, so it's going to take a little bit more time. But I'm going to go through these. This basically has all of my jeans, workout clothes, pajamas, and then shorts, and some other random stuff. I haven't went through this in a while, and I feel like my size has changed a little bit, so I definitely can't get in a lot of my jeans and denim shorts and stuff. So I need to go through, try all these on, and get rid of a bunch of stuff and just kind of refold everything. It gets definitely messy to where I can't even fully shut these. So far we have the keep pile here and then the donate pile over there. All right, this drawer is a hodgepodge of different shorts. I have everything in here from denim shorts to work shorts and dressy shorts, everything. This is always a tough one because it's like, am I gonna get skinnier to where I can fit in all of these shorts from college days? Probably not. I should just get rid of them. By the way, if you're like me and like more modest shorts, Fashion Nova has the most comfortable Bermuda shorts, and they have shorter shorts too, but super comfy and always good for more of a curvy shape. So I narrowed it down quite a bit, and out of all those shorts, these are the only ones that I like to wear, and then I have just a couple dressy shorts that I got recently. Isn't it a great feeling when you have extra room? Like, that never happens in this closet. All right, moving on to here, I have a ton of leggings and workout shorts, and then the bottom two are jeans, and then these are more like colored jeans and dressier pants. So I'm going to start with the workout stuff. How many pairs of black leggings do you own? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know. This is the only stock of black leggings that I'm keeping. Can you believe it? Next up is jeans, and my favorite jeans of all time are Fashion Nova. I have a 30% off discount. Gotta check it out, but they're definitely my favorite. Super soft and stretchy. Well, that was a reality check. Pretty much majority of the American Eagle jeans that I thought I could still wear and was hanging on to, I definitely can't get zipped up or buttoned, so put those in the donate pile. And then pretty much the only jeans that I'm keeping that still fit are my Fashion Nova ones. They're super stretchy, so depending on if I fluctuate in size, they will definitely still fit. So I'm glad that I tried them on. I definitely recommend doing that. Even if you think in your mind that you can still wear them, it might have been like 2 or 3 years since you've actually put them on. So it might be a good idea to try them on. And I usually separate these by dark jeans and then jeans that are distressed with holes. Another note about Fashion Nova, they make the best dressy pants that are still flattering and like skinny dressy pants. These feel like pajamas, but they're pretty much dress pants, and you can't even tell. They are 5 pockets, so they're made kind of like jeans, but they're really nice black material. Another little tip is you can organize stuff by what you're reaching for that season at the top. So I'm wearing a lot of white pants to work, so I'm definitely putting those up here at the top because I'm going to reach for those the most. So this side is definitely more of a hot mess. This is pajamas and workout tank tops. I want to know, do you guys sleep in like big old t-shirts or do you have really cute pajamas? Because I always have the ugliest shirts that I sleep in, and so that's what's folded up in the bottom drawer, but I never usually have cute pajamas. It's just not practical. Does anyone else? Is that just me? Another thing that's kind of hard to organize are camis, and that's what's all right here. I go through and throw away ones all the time that are just worn out and stuff, so that's also what I'm going to do. The stack of black camis looks about like the stack of black leggings. So I'm finally finished with all the drawers, and it doesn't look that organized, but it actually is on the inside. Everything is folded and stacked. It's just folding some of these stacks doesn't turn out perfectly straight, but I am super pleased with how much that I'm getting rid of. So this is my donate pile. It's a lot bigger than I expected it to be, so I'm gonna let friends and family go through this first and then probably donate it to Goodwill or something. But got rid of a ton of jeans, lots of t-shirts, bathing suit cover-ups that I don't wear, all kind of good stuff. So yeah, I think this is finally complete. I'm so happy with how everything turned out. I hope you enjoyed watching this. So it's been probably about 2 weeks since I originally did this whole reorganization, and I'm happy to say that everything is still in its place and still looking really good. And then we have all of the winter stuff up top, and I actually kept the shoes the same because I actually have the summer sandals like actually on the bottom shelf, which is helpful, and then boots are up at the top, so I can just reach everything a lot easier. So that is it for this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoy these. If you want to see me declutter and organize another area of my house, definitely let me know. I think I might tackle my office area and maybe my makeup area next. I will link the other videos I've done in this series. I've already organized my bathroom drawers as well as under my bathroom sink, so I'll put that playlist down below if you're interested. Thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you back next week. Bye everyone.